What's up, everybody? Telbert Weinermyer here for WKYT. That's right, K Whitey. And I'm here with an exclusive interview with my main man, Terrence Horton. Hey, Terrence. What's new, buddy?
Well, you know what they say, man. If you can't change the people around you, change the people around you.
When did you make your decision?
Oh, yeah, it was January the 6th, 2021. That's the day.
In your own words, what happened that day?
Yeah, when I watched the Confederate flag grace the rotunda of the U.S. Capitol, I knew right then I had enough.
What was the process that you used to make your decision?
I flipped a coin. I drew straws. I shook that magic 8-ball twice and still came up with the same answer.
Well, I've got to ask, do you have any doubts about this decision?
No, I'm 100% sure about this one.
How hard was it for you to make this decision?
You know, it's never easy to leave a place that things just clearly aren't working out. I use the girlfriend analogy a lot. You know, you ever have a girlfriend where you really like her a whole lot and you put a whole lot into her and she takes you for granted? Take her out to nice restaurants, she don't even care. You open the door for her, she don't even care. She doesn't really recognize what she has until you leave her.
So who all have you told about this decision, Terrence?
Oh, just everybody who would listen to me.
So who haven't you told?
Just you, Telbert.
I can't be the only person you haven't told. Have you told the vice mayor from Covington, Mr. Ron Washington?
No, but I plan on calling him like next Thursday or Friday or something like that. That's on my to-do list.
What about Senator McConnell? You tell him?
Oh, yeah. I sent word. I sent an email to a customer service representative from the Wish app. I CC'd Mitch McConnell's wife on there. So I figured he'd get it that way. He'd understand.
Okay. Tell me.
Ask me again, but this time say please.
Okay, please tell me.
Okay, I've decided. This is tough, man. This is tough. I'm going to take my talents to coast cuts in Killeen, Texas.
Well, how do you plan to explain to the wonderful people in Covington, Kentucky that you're going to be gone?
You know, I had a good run here with the hashtag #LoveTheCov and being one of the most recognizable faces in the downtown central business district. You know, in a perfect world, I'd work 2 weeks here in Covington and 2 weeks in Killeen, Texas. But I absolutely hate it here, and I have to do what's best for me.
Well, I just so happen to have a letter here, a handwritten letter from the CCC, better known as the Covington Cancel Committee. The CCC. It's marked anonymous, but it's signed at the bottom by this Missy Rears?
Missy Rears?
From Take Your Shirt Off Covington? Messy Rears? You know what Messy Rears?
Missy Rears.
You mean old dirty butt? Old poopy draws? Skid mark? Old shark stain? Mrs. Fully Loaded Depends herself? Please don't read. I don't think I can take it. We are extremely disappointed in this so-called lover of Covington, Kentucky, Mr. Terrence A. Horton. And this next part right here is in all caps. I personally think this move right here is a huge mistake. How dare he leave this community before the members of the Covington Cancel community get to run him out of town ourselves. Signed, Missy Rears, Take Your Shirt Off, Covington, whoever that is. Well, you heard it here first. Terrence Horton is taking his talent coast-to-coast cuts in Killeen, Texas. Do you have any doubts about your decision?
I knew it was going to be a risk going in, but can you blame me for wanting to be a part of a community that encourages black, common sense, conservative ideologies? It's best that I get out of Dodge before the Covington Cancel Committee makes a Facebook post about me the way they did Southern Comfort.
You are watching WKYT. That's right, K Whitey, right here in Covington, Kentucky. We brought you the exclusive Terrence Horton.
No doubts.
Leaving our community.
No doubts at all.
What a shame.